Welcome to Baked in Science, everyone. And today I have Tanya Jeradechachai from MGP Ingredients, who is the Vice President of Eating Ingredient Solutions R&D. Hello, Tanya. Welcome.
Hello, how are you today?
Excellent. Thank you. Yeah, please tell us a little bit about your background and what you do for MGP.
Yeah, so I lead the ingredient solutions here. We have a really nice small team, small but mighty. That's what we always
Hmm.
say. My background is zero chemistry. I got the bachelor and master in food and zero science from North Dakota State University.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yeah.
Mhm.
I've been helping a student from North Dakota on a project, interesting project. She's creating like a vegetarian version of a type of Indian jerky that they make
Oh,
using some native grains and things like that. It's
sounds
kind of neat. Yeah.
delicious.
Yeah, very interesting. And so, yeah, we're here to today. The main thing we want to talk about today is resistant starch. Starch is often just sort of lumped into one category for bakers, and yet there are so many different applications and types. And resistant starch is very unique and interesting, I find. And so, one of the things is you have a resistant starch, or you have a line of them with MGP ingredients. I believe it's called Fibersim.
Correct. We have a fibersome. My favorite topic is resistant starch. I love talking about it. It's such a fun ingredient to work with. It's just
Yeah.
so interesting. So, very excited to talk to you.
And yeah, we've been looking forward to this. And there's various formulating benefits in
Mhm.
particularly in baked goods.